Have a UMV file from an Unreal Tournament gameplay recording? This is a demo or replay file capturing match action in the Unreal Engine. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play and convert these Unreal Tournament movie files. Don't close the guide if the UMV file doesn't open right away. We have an unconventional, high success rate method designed for deep format errors. Gamers encounter UMV files when they record in-game footage or demos within the classic game Unreal Tournament. Their intent is to watch these gameplay recordings, share them with others, or potentially convert them to a standard video format like MP4 for uploading to platforms like YouTube. The UMV format is not a standard video file, but rather a game state recording. It contains a stream of game engine data, player inputs, and events. The game's engine replays this data to perfectly reconstruct the movie in real time. This design is highly efficient in file size compared to raw video capture. Guaranteed access to UMV files is typically achieved using Unreal Tournament from Epic Games. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows shows only superficial attributes, so accessing real content depends on modding utilities. The fastest method is to exhaust all compatible openers. Right-click the UMV file and hit Open With. Use Unreal Tournament if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the handler. If your UMV file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The problem with this UMV file isn't complicated, it's specific. We just need to verify a few key details on our checklist before moving to the fix. First, playing in Unreal Tournament. Place the UMV file in the Demos folder of your Unreal Tournament installation, typically located in Documents, My Games, Unreal Tournament saved demos. Launch the game and access the demo browser through the menu to play back the recording in the game engine. Next, using console's commands, launch Unreal Tournament and open the console with the tilde key. Type demo play followed by the UMV file name without extension to start playback. Use commands like demo pause, demo speed, and demo exit to control playback during the replay session. Finally, converting to video files. To create a standard video from a UMV file, play the demo in Unreal Tournament while using screen recording software like OBS Studio or NVIDIA Shadowplay. Capture the gameplay at desired resolution and frame rate, then edit the recording in video editing software for sharing online. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.